Hello Diecast lover. Let's take a look at Hot Wheels LB Work NISSAN R35 GTR for Mainline series. For the first variant, it comes in a red color finishes. This is the latest release after the blue model. We got a Japanese 5-spoke wheels for this casting. And it comes with a LBWK side tempo. You also can see the LB Works decals at the spoiler. The front profile comes with a black front diffuser and a black grille, and the GTR logo is well readable. I like the black plastic headlight in this casting. You can see clearly the LB wide body fender from up here. This model also comes with a black side skirting. And the window is in smoke tint finish with a black interior. The rear profile comes with a black rear bumper, a well-painted taillight, and a clean GTR's logo. Without any doubt, this also will be one of my favorite mainline casting. Maybe a TE37 rubber wheels can pop up the look of this car. We'll see that in another video. If you want to add this to your collection, it can be found in the P-Case 2021. Let's move on to the blue version. For your info, this model is the first casting for this variation. You can find this casting in 2021 L or M case. And this casting is easier to find compared to the red version. It comes with a side mirror on both sides. The LB hood really looked good on this car. For this blue version, I think white color wheels can suit this car profile. We'll see in another video later. Overall, I think I'm going to choose the red version over to this blue model. How about yours? Leave your comment below. That's all for today's. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider to like and subscribe for more video. Thank you.